Good morning, world history. I'm not there today, obviously. So, since it is the day that you capture this day in history as a bell ringer for you to turn in with the rest of your bell ringers at the end of the semester, hopefully you've already done that. So, the assignment today is going to be the religions of the world presentation. So, we've studied the most popular religions here in the United States, the first five. Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Those are the first five that we covered. Today, what we're going to do is allow you to go into a few of the other ones. We've talked about some of these when we did the scavenger hunt. So there are 12 religions listed here on the assignment. So what your task is that you're going to create a Google Slides presentation that captures all of these parts. You can choose which religion you would like to do, but I highly recommend that you guys choose a multitude of these. The reason is in the past, if students all chose, say, Wicca, then it makes it very easy for me to compare against each other if students had forgotten or left out information or parts of this, if I was able to compare them side by side. So I'm not saying that you can't focus on the same religions, but I do recommend that you guys choose different ones throughout the classroom. Now, you can have groups up to 3 people, okay? If you want to do this entire assignment on your own, you're welcome to do so, but only 3 people are going to share a Google slide with each other and with me. All the members must contribute in the research and creation of the presentation. So what that means is that you're going to log into your Google, and one person is going to open up a Google Slides presentation and share it with a maximum of 2 other people, and then with myself as well. Now, the parts that you're going to cover are the origins of the religion. So who's the founder? Is there a founder? Who gets credit for founding this religion? What part of the world or what place did this start? And when in time did it begin? Number 2 is going to be worship practices. How does this religion worship? Do they meet every day? Do they meet every week? Do they not meet at all? When they meet, do they meet in someone's house? Do they meet at a church, a temple? Do they meet outside? We've talked about different aspects that different religions practice this, and you're going to tell me, the one that you choose, how they practice this. Part 3 is going to be rituals. What ceremonies does this religion practice? Do they have any dietary laws? That means, do they allow themselves to or to not eat certain foods? Do they have special practices for their weddings or a baptism, which is for a child? Other similar events for a specific religion. Part 4, are they divided up into certain groups? We've talked about with Islam, there are the Sunni and the Shia. We've talked about the different denominations of Christianity, but what groups exist within this religion? As we scroll down here for part 5, you're talking about celebrations. Are there any celebrations that your religion you're focusing on, one of these 12, does? We've talked about some for the other religions like Diwali and Ramadan, Christmas, Easter. What holy days does this religion have? When are they? How often are they? How do they celebrate them? Part 6 is the leadership. Every church has someone that is in charge or in control of it. Is it at a local level? Is it at a national level? Is there one leader for the entire world? Who has the power to be able to make decisions? And then finally, part 7, I want you to include anything else that you find about the religion. Something about their teachings. What do they believe? Do they have a holy writing? We've talked about the Bible, the Quran, the different religious texts that Hinduism and Buddhism have. What about their key beliefs? Do they believe in a supreme being? Do they have any gods? And then any pictures, any sort of graphs, maps showing where it is, any information that you're able to find that you think would make it visually interesting to look at. I'm not looking for your 7 slides to necessarily just be text. Add some pictures in there. Make it interesting to look at. Okay? That's the assignment. Again, maximum of 3 students in a group. You must be in a group with someone in this class period. So once you've decided on a religion and a group, open up a Google slide, title it something interesting that also includes the name of the religion, and share it with me so I know who's working with each other. If you have any clarifying questions, please feel free to shoot me an email. I'll hopefully have cell service and be able to take a look at it and respond to you fairly quickly. Otherwise, as soon as I get your information, I will respond to it. My intent is that this class period is the only one that you guys are working on this. You have a 90-minute class period. You probably only took a few minutes to take care of this day in history. The rest of the time is for the 3 of you to work together. Split up the different parts, all work together on each part, but the research and creation of this Google slide needs to be done by all members of the group. Otherwise, the member that doesn't help will lose points. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is a summative assignment, as you can see on Google Classroom. But if you have any other questions that your classmates or the substitute are unable to answer at this point, please reach out to me and ask. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Thank you.